Hi friends, it's Miss Hannah and I'm here with another video for you today. Today I wanted to review some of the shapes that we learned about last week when we made our shape monster, and I'm also going to show you another fun activity you can do to remember your shapes and also to learn how to make some patterns. So let's go talk about what a pattern is and how we can make some with some shapes. Alright friends, so if you remember last week I posted a video helping us to learn some shapes and how we can remember them by making a shape monster. And here is my stack of flashcards I made of the different shapes that we talked about. So let's just quickly look at these shapes again and I'll see if you guys can tell me what these shapes are. So this shape, do you remember what it's called? This one is a triangle. This shape is a circle. This shape is a square. This shape is a rhombus. Remember, it has a very special name. It looks like a diamond, but we call it a rhombus. This shape is an oval. This shape is a rectangle. This shape is a heart. This shape has a really fun name that's kind of hard to say. It's a trapezoid. A trapezoid. This shape is an octagon because it has 8 sides, remember? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides for our octagon. And this last shape is a pentagon because it has 5 sides, remember? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides for our pentagon. So today we're going to be looking at just 3 of these shapes. We're going to be using the triangle, the circle, and the square. And I have made a bunch of triangles, circles, and squares just by cutting them out of paper. So this is something you could easily do at home. You can draw them first and then cut them out. You can have your mom and dad or your brother and sister help you. So this is what we're going to use to make our patterns. Now a pattern is kind of like a line of something that repeats, and you can guess what the next one is going to be based on looking at what came before it. So if I put down a triangle and then a circle and then a triangle, which one comes next? Triangle, circle, triangle, circle comes next. See, it's the same. Triangle, circle, triangle, circle. So this is one way that we can make a pattern. Another way that we could make a pattern is I could say, let's say triangle, square, square, and then triangle, square, square. So we have triangle, square, square, triangle, square, square. What do you think comes next? Triangle, square, square, triangle, square, square. Next is triangle. See, so you can tell what comes next. Now there's one more way that we can make patterns that I want to show you. And that's by using all 3 of our shapes. So if we say triangle, circle, only one, square, triangle, circle, square. What comes next? We have triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle, square. What comes after the square? Triangle. That's right. So you can see how you can use the shapes to make all kinds of different patterns. You don't have to just use shapes. You can make patterns with colors. You can make patterns with letters. You can make patterns with toys, with anything that you have. And I would love to see you guys practicing your patterns and tell me all about how it goes. And we can show each other the wonderful patterns that we make whenever we get back to school. So thank you guys so much for coming and watching this video with me today. I hope that you guys had a lot of fun. I hope that you have even more fun practicing your shapes and your patterns. And I will see you all again soon in my next video. Bye!